What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about Huawei. They are working on a foldable phone just like Samsung is. So you basically have a smartphone, a modern smartphone that can fold. To me, I mean, I've said this in the past, it kind of reminds me of just a flip phone, but it's going to be basically a candy bar phone that can fold in half. We don't know much about this. We can guesstimate that it's going to be an OLED display. They are looking to release it by November of this year. They want to beat Samsung to the punch before Samsung releases their foldable phone. And then, I don't know. We don't really know anything else about it. We don't know specs. We don't know, resolution of the screen. We don't know anything about if they're going to have a different type of software on there or if it's going to look fairly close to what we think Samsung's is going to look like. So it's cool to think that, this could possibly turn into a major thing where foldable phones are had by everybody, and you can get a big ass phone and then fold it and fit it into your pocket really nice and snug. That would be great, but we'll have to wait and see how these manufacturers do over time. I think the first generation or two, I don't think they're going to be that impressive. I think it's really going to be, a candy bar phone, you fold it in half and that's it, and it's not going to be that big of a difference in terms of you using the phone, you carrying around the phone, or anything to that matter. And the last story of the day is about the Galaxy S9 and Donald Duck. That's right, Donald Duck emoji, AR emoji, is now available on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus if you have, or if you even use AR emoji. I actually looked on mine. I currently don't have it, but the news reports are saying that it is out there. So check your phone. If you have it, all you gotta do is go into the camera app, slide over to AR emoji, hit the plus sign, and then look for Donald Duck. It's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. I want to know what you guys think about foldable phones. Tell me in the comments down below. Do you think it's a cool thing? Is it something you think is going to take years before it's really cool? Let me know what you guys think. You know my opinion on it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. That's it. Peace.